iPhone users, let me show you how to make your iPhone to announce incoming calls. So of course, if you find this video useful, don't forget to follow Saruk and don't forget to save this video by adding to your favorites. Let's go. Step number 1, you're going to tap on your iPhone settings. Once you click on it, it will open. Are we together? So once it opens, you're going to take your time to scroll up, or rather take your time, swipe up until you see apps. Where the arrow is pointing, you click there. It will take you to this next step whereby you're going to scroll up once again until you see phone. Just swipe up until you see phone. Exactly where the arrow is pointing, click there. So after you tap on phone, it will take you to this last step whereby you're going to see incoming calls and announce calls. So make sure you click where you see announce calls. Are we together? And once you get here, make sure you switch this feature from never to always. And by doing this, every time somebody is going to call you, your iPhone will announce the caller's name, but only if that person's name is saved in your contacts. If the number is not saved, it will not announce their names. So follow Saruk for more tips like this. So if you're using an iPhone, let me show you how to update it, because if you update it, number 1, it will give you the latest features. Number 2, it's going to improve your security. And number 3, it will help your phone to run more smoothly without hanging or freezing. So of course, if you find this video useful, don't forget to follow Saruk and don't forget to save this video by adding to your favorites. Let's go. So step number 1, click on your iPhone settings. Once it open, I want you to go and click on general, exactly where the arrow is pointing. So after you tap on general, it will take you to this next point. You're going to click on software update, which will take you to this next point. Are we together? So your iPhone will check for any available updates. If an update is available, you are going to click on tap update now or download and install. As you can see, mine is already up to date. So once you're done updating your iPhone, you're going to click on automatic updates, exactly where the arrow is pointing. And then make sure you turn this feature on, automatically install. Are we together? So that your iPhone can automatically download and install future updates when they are available. So of course, if this video was useful, don't forget to follow Saruk for more tips like this.
Let me give you 5 reasons why most people these days are going for MacBook. Whether you're a CEO, a teacher, a HR, a student, or a DJ. Number 1, let's talk about battery. It comes with an excellent battery. The battery can last to 7 to 8 hours while using. Whether you're playing videos on YouTube, switching from one program to another, it keeps you going without charging. Number 2, let's talk about the noise. This MacBook can keep you going throughout the day without the fan making a lot of noise. Number 3, when people are switching from one program to another, this MacBook, you can use it from 6 to 7 hours without overheating. Here at Saruk, we have a variety of MacBook from 13-inch, 14-inch, 15-inch to 16-inch. And when you buy a MacBook from us, we give you an original charger free of charge. If you want any of this MacBook, you can call us using the number on the bio.
Don't wait until your phone gets damaged before you protect it. If you spent good money buying your phone, you need to protect it from dust, scratches, or small accidents. And that's why here at Saruk, we have quality phone covers for both Android and iPhone. These phone cases are both slim and lightweight, meaning they are not going to add any weight to your phone. They also fit perfectly, meaning you can use your camera, button, charging port, and also the speaker without struggling. On top of that, these phone cases makes your phone secure and comfortable to carry. It won't slip out of your hand or your pocket. Whether you bought a new phone or umekuwa ukitumia yako for a while, it's not too late to protect it. Here at Saruk, we have a variety of them. Call us using the number on the bio.
The Apple iPhone 17 Pro is one of the most powerful iPhones Apple has ever made. If you're looking to get yourself one of the best iPhones, then this is the one. For starters, it has a 6.3-inch display, which is very clear. So when you're scrolling through your IG, TikTok videos, movies, everything feels smooth. It is also powered by a 19 Pro chip. That means you can multitask without your phone lagging or feeling very slow. It also comes with 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. This means you don't have to keep on deleting your photos, videos, or apps because you have ran out of storage. Now, let's talk about the good part, the camera. If you are a photogenic person or love taking photos and videos or creating content, then the 48 megapixel triple camera system is the right one for you. You can take very clear and sharp objects of photos and videos. When you get this phone, you'll get a 24 months warranty and a 6 months warranty against liquid screen damage. It also comes with a free screen guard and a free cover. For only 224,999 Kenyan shillings, you can get this iPhone 17 Pro. Call us using the number on our bio.
So if you're there and you own a laptop and your laptop keeps running out of storage space, so keep watching, because on this particular video, I'm going to show you how to delete or how to remove apps that you no longer need. So of course, if you find this video useful, don't forget to follow Saruk and don't forget to save this video by adding to your favorites. Let's go. So step number 1, on your laptop, you're going to press Windows key. So after you press Windows key, you're going to click on settings, the feature that is circled. After you tap on settings, on the left side, you're going to look for apps. So you're going to click on apps, exactly where the arrow is pointing. So after you tap on apps, you're going to click on installed apps, exactly where the arrow is pointing. So once you click there, you're going to see all the apps that you've downloaded on your laptop. So how do you delete those ones that you don't want? Just check on the right side. Select the app that you want to delete, and then on the right side, you're going to see the 3 dots. So you're going to click on the 3 dots, and then you click on uninstall. And by doing this, you'll be able to create more space on your laptop. Just delete the apps that you no longer need. So follow Saruk for more tips like this.
With this projector, you don't need a TV or a laptop. This is an A53 Smart Android projector. The best part is, once you've connected it to your Wi-Fi, you will be able to enjoy your favorite shows on Netflix, YouTube, and you'll be able to download apps on the Google Play Store. So with this projector, it comes with 3 different ports: the HDMI, the jack pin, and the USB. It also can rotate 180 degrees, and it has a lens that can support 4K videos. So you can only find this projector at Saruk Digital for only 34,000 Kenya shillings. Contact us using the number on the bio.
Most people come to us asking whether I should get a brand new laptop or an XUK laptop.
The truth is, the laptop you decide to buy depends on your budget and your needs. So in this video, we are going to tell you the difference between the two. So let's talk about a brand new laptop. This is a laptop that comes directly from the manufacturer or an authorized distributor and has never been used by anyone. Every part is sealed and untouched.
While this XUK laptop, it's a laptop that has been used by someone else abroad. It has been checked, tested before it is sold to the next customer. Some XUK laptops are slightly cheaper than brand new laptop, while this XUK laptop, they perform exactly like a brand new laptop.
Here at Saruk, we have both XUK and brand new laptops.
You can find us at Old Mucho Building, 2nd floor, room number 211A.
Call us on 0748 800 900. Don't forget to save this video as your favorite, like, comment, and share.
If you're a parent with a child of 3 and above years, it's high time to invest in your child education by buying one of these Erimu tablets. This tablet is smart, safe, and reliable. They come with a screen protector, which is pre-installed, a protective case, a touch pen, and a content activation card. In case your child drops this tablet, it can't break. Another thing I love about this tablet, the child can use for studies, research, educational website, online classes, and other educational purpose. It's high time you invest in your child education and future. We have all these tablets starting from 10,000, 15,000. For more information, you can reach out using the number on the bio. If you're a gamer and you're tired of playing games on a small screen and you want a better experience in gaming and football, then let me introduce to you the P50 Max. The good thing about it, it can support a 3D view of the movie. When you're playing the movie, it decodes the movie you're playing in a 4K resolution. Another thing, if you don't know how to play a certain game, you can watch it directly on YouTube. Also, watch your favorite movie on Netflix and download games on Google Play Store. It comes with different ports, a jack pin port, 2 USB ports, 1 micro SSD card port, HDMI port, and it also comes with 2 gaming pads which you can use to play your favorite games. Don't forget, it also comes with a lens that support up to 4K resolution display. Now here, this is a good projector for gamers. You can get it at that 4,000 Kenyan shillings here at Saruk. Call us using the number on the bio. This small habit are secretly destroying your laptop. Number 1, using your laptop in your bed is a mistake. It blocks the air ventilation, causing overheating that damages your internal components. Number 2, eating or drinking near your laptop. One accident mistake may damage your motherboard or the keyboard. Number 3, letting your battery drain to zero or using the wrong charger can shorten your battery lifespan. Number 4, ignoring software updates leave your laptops vulnerable to security threats and performance issue. Number 5, carrying your laptop on the screen side while pressing object on top of it. It exerts the pressure which eventually cracks the display. Change these habits today and the laptop will last for long. For more tips like this, follow Saruk, share, like, and comment.
Did you know that you can turn your normal TV into a smart TV in less than 60 seconds? All you need is the On Google TV. All you have to do is plug your HDMI to your TV and you're ready to go. Once you do that, you can stream Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Showmax, and any other streaming apps without buying a new TV. And the best part is that this remote is a Bluetooth voice remote. So instead of typing, you can simply press the voice button and say what you want to watch. It also supports 4K Ultra HD streaming, meaning you'll enjoy very sharp and clear pictures while watching your favorite shows and movies either through YouTube, Netflix, Peacock, Disney, Hulu, and any other streaming apps. If you are looking for an affordable way of upgrading your TV and home entertainment, then the On Google TV is a great choice, and it's valued at 3,999 Kenyan shillings only. Check the number on our bio or visit our physical shop.
One thing that you should always check before buying an iPhone, it is the battery health. And on this particular video, I'm going to show you how to check the battery health of your iPhone step by step, just within 60 seconds. And of course, if you find this video useful, don't forget to follow Saruk and don't forget to save this video by adding to your favorites. Let's go. So step number 1, you're going to open your iPhone settings. Once you're in, click on battery, exactly where the arrow is pointing. So after you tap on battery, it will take you to this next point. What you're going to do, take your time to swipe up until you see battery health and charging. Click there. It will take you to this next point. You're going to see maximum capacity. So I want you to listen to me very carefully. If your iPhone maximum capacity is 80% or higher, your battery is very healthy. Are we together? If it's below 80%, that means your battery has worn out and you should consider replacing it. As you can see, mine is 99%. So mine is in very good condition, meaning my battery is in excellent condition. So if this video was useful, like, comment, and share. So if you're using an iPhone, let me show you how to update it. Because if you update it, number 1, it will give you the latest features. Number 2, it's going to improve your security. And number 3, it will help your phone to run more smoothly without hanging or freezing. So of course, if you find this video useful, don't forget to follow Saruk and don't forget to save this video by adding to your favorites. Let's go. So step number 1, click on your iPhone settings. Once it open, I want you to go and click on general, exactly where the arrow is pointing. So after you tap on general, it will take you to this next point. You're going to click on software update, which will take you to this next point. Are we together? So your iPhone will check for any available updates. If an update is available, you are going to click on tap update now or download and install. As you can see, mine is already up to date. So once you're done updating your iPhone, you're going to click on automatic updates, exactly where the arrow is pointing. And then make sure you turn this feature on, automatically install. Are we together? So that your iPhone can automatically download and install future updates when they are available. So of course, if this video was useful, don't forget to follow Saruk for more tips like this.
Don't make this one mistake if you own a MacBook. Charging your MacBook using a fake charger. I've seen a lot of people using a lot of money replacing their MacBook battery because of using a fake charger, which ended up damaging their MacBook battery. Here at Saruk, we have original and good quality MacBook chargers. You can get one. Call us using the number on the bio. Don't make this one mistake if you own a MacBook. Charging your MacBook using a fake charger. I've seen a lot of people using a lot of money replacing their MacBook battery because of using a fake charger, which ended up damaging their MacBook battery. Here at Saruk, we have original and good quality MacBook chargers. You can get one. Call us using the number on the bio. Don't make this one mistake if you own a MacBook. Charging your MacBook using a fake charger. I've seen a lot of people using a lot of money replacing their MacBook battery because of using a fake charger, which ended up damaging their MacBook battery. Here at Saruk, we have original and good quality MacBook chargers. You can get one. Call us using the number on the bio.
Here at Saruk, we sell a wide range of quality of products that will make your work and life easy. Come, let me show you.
We offer different models of smart Android portable projectors. You can choose the one that fits you well. We also have quality Oraimo earpods and iPhone cables here at Saruk. Stylish phone cases and the best Oraimo earpods. We have quality Oraimo neckband and original smart watches in different varieties, ladies and gentlemen. We are also stocked with original and durable extension socket. If you are interested, call us or reach us using the number on our bio.
If you want to know what's happening in your house, your business, or in your office, then you need to get yourself this wall clock with hidden camera. Actually, it may look like a normal clock, but it has a 1080 pixel HD camera. Once you connect this watch to your phone using Wi-Fi, you'll be able to see what's going on, especially when you are away from home or work. It can also start recording at night whenever it detects movement or motion. The best part, nobody can know it is a security camera. It just looks like a regular wall clock. At only 12,000 Kenyan shillings, you can get this wall clock with hidden camera here at Saruk. Make sure you call us using the number on our bio.
Don't make this one mistake if you own a MacBook. Charging your MacBook using a fake charger. I've seen a lot of people using a lot of money replacing their MacBook battery because of using a fake charger, which ended up damaging their MacBook battery. Here at Saruk, we have original and good quality MacBook chargers. You can get one. Call us using the number on the bio.